Okay, a week from Halloween.
Really?
Get ready.
Not a big holiday in the Ryan house, but you know, I know for some people it's a big deal. Before you get tricked by a last-minute scramble for a costume, Steve Noviello has a real treat for you. Easy, do-it-yourself costumes.
Super easy, and here's the challenge this morning, about 20 minutes to make each one of them. So generally you've got this stuff in your house, maybe you need a couple of accessories, I've got shopping links for that stuff, but let's kind of keep this in perspective, right? These are, oh my gosh, last minute, I had no idea this was a costume party, costume ideas meant to inspire your creativity, or just go ahead and copy them if you like them. So walk through it with me if you would. Chances are you've got a green t-shirt in the house, maybe some formal wear, and you think, well, that's not a Halloween costume. I say it's actually two Halloween costumes. Take a look at the video we've got for you. Green with envy and formal apology. Now, the nice thing about using wordplay as a costume here is, first of all, there are tons of different options, and second, it inspires conversation from complete strangers at Halloween parties who are assured to come over to you and say, what are you supposed to be? So if you're shy, you're welcome, because I've just broken the ice for you. All right, back out here, let's take a look at this. Chances are you've got an umbrella laying around. I know our boss has a pretty fancy color printer in the newsroom that I was able to use and did a quick Google search for images of men. Pair it together and take a look at the video we've got for you. All of these random items become It's Raining Men. Maybe some rain boots and a trench coat to finish the look. We got them on Amazon.com, and again, have links for you. Back out here live, this is actually one of the coolest last minute costumes that we do because it comes out so well. We're talking about taking items around the house, and maybe a couple of dress shirts and some Sharpies. All you need to do is add a $9 face paint kit, and take a look at the video we've got for you. Makeup makes it pop into pop art. This is great for men, for women. People get really creative with this in terms of even using some of those pop art sayings and stuff with makeup right on them. And finally for you, think inside the box when your little one says to you, look, by the way, that tomorrow it's dress up day at school, and oh, we had no idea. You've got a box from Amazon lying around the house. I know that we do. This is from ours. Chances are you've got some bowls and some spray paint, but when you put them all together, take a look at the video we've got for you. We're talking Lego bricks for any kid, for any adult. Super easy to do. The spray paint set us back around $4. Again, links to the accessories you're going to need to these last-minute DIY costume ideas. You'll find them on our station website, and when you come see me online, facebook.com/SaveMeSteve.
Great idea. Last time I painted a box, I got the grass a little pink. My husband's like, what happened?
Then you mow the lawn the next day.
He's like, what happened to the grass out there? I was like, oh, well, remember that box I had to paint for Landry for her school? Yeah.
He'll come back next year. Right. Yeah. I'm not a big fan of having to explain what I am.
Right, you want people just to know so that you have very
I'm
little
telling you, if you're an introvert at the party, people coming over, breaking the ice.
Yeah, no.
It's not his
Trust
thing.
me, when you meet your future spouse at a party because of some last-minute Halloween idea that was so obscure that I gave you, you're welcome.
Well, I've already got mine, so.
Yeah, he's kind of stuck with her.
I'll just stand in the corner with my beer and don't talk to me, okay?